Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see how to control start and stop button or switch from SCADA page, right? It is like a controlling part. I hope you remember our introduction to the SCADA session where we have seen supervisory separately, control separately, correct? So supervisory means we have seen in the last session, right? So whatever changes you are doing in a PLC, we are able to see it in a SCADA software, right? I'll show it again. I'm going online. It's loading. Yeah. So let's check whether our PLC is in online or not. Yes. So now I'll go for our interfacing page. So now we are going to do the supervising. Supervising means what? What is happening in a field? So in a field, I 0.6 is on. So my lamp is on. So that's what it is showing me. Now if I 0.7 is on, I can able to watch it in a monitor. Got it? But see, I couldn't able to control from here. Right? I couldn't able to control. Again, it will go back to its original place. So this is supervisory, right? The one we are seeing is a supervisory. But there is one more concept now, control. What we can do for that? That is the one we are going to see in today's session. Fine. So before that, I'll put a box for this and name it as supervisory. Let's make it as supervisory. Just to monitor or monitoring. Got it? Now what is pending? Yes, it is controlling. So from SCADA, if you want to control means, obviously there is one way, that too I have explained in our previous introduction of SCADA session, that is by using memories. Okay, so by using memories we are going to do. Let's see how to do that. Before that, I'll just reduce the size. Yeah, fine. So now let's move on to the controlling part. Correct? We'll take two more switches. That means from SCADA, how can I turn on? And from SCADA, how can I turn off? For that, I am going to take two more switches. Got it? Two more switches I am getting. And yeah, so this is the controlling part. So for controlling, we are in need of only inputs, right? Anyhow, output we cannot control. So this is the output we cannot control from here, but by using switches we can do. That is a different part. Okay. So no need of creating a new output. Only you need to create is the input. Okay. Control. I'll make it as bold. Yeah. So now I have created the controlling thing here. By using memories, I have told, right? So for that, go to your PLC page first. Go for editing mode. Right. So what is the option to turn on Q0.1 by using memories? Any other option apart from I0.6? We have seen no auto manual control. So for that, I'm going to have one parallel contact here. What is this parallel contact means? Even though I couldn't able to turn on from I0.6, imagine that start switch is not working, but you need to turn on your Q0.1. Okay, what you can do? We cannot do anything if we are not having an auto manual control. So you are having some backup plan. That may be your memory. Okay, so if your I0.6 is not turned on, if it is not working, make use of this M0.0 to turn on your Q0.1. Like that, a program is designed now. Same thing. Imagine your stop switch is not working. but you're supposed to turn off. What you can do? Yes, you can introduce one more contact of normally closed switch, which is your another memory, which may be M0.1. Got it? Right? So I have options. If I0.6 is not, use M0.0. If I0.7 is not, use M0.1. Got it? So I'm going online. Fine. So I'll turn this off first. Yeah, correct. So let's go to our SCADA page. Now what I need to do means I need to create a tag. Now we are going to use a manual start, right? So I'm giving manual start. This fellow is coming from PLC and the data type is bool only. And what is the address of that? Yes, it is M0.0. Got it? What I'm doing? I'm just creating one new tag and name that as M0.0. Okay, same. Next is what? Manual stop. And automatically it is taking the next address, which is M0.1. Fine. So I have created a tag with a memory address. What's next? I need to go to the interfacing page and I need to tell this is M0.1. Correct? I'll just give, manual start. I'll put MS, manual start. Fine. And this fellow is manual stop. And what is the tag name? Yes, it is manual stop. Fine. So this is our last step, right? Got it? Shall we go online? I'll save the project. Let's go online and check. I go for the interfacing page. I'm turning on here. Nothing is happening. I'll turn on here. Your output is on, right? It's not possible with the same I0.6, but it is possible with M0.0. How? Shall we check the PLC program? Can you see? I have turned on M0.0 in my SCADA page. Because of that, this contact is on. So it is giving output to Q0.1. So in PLC also it is updated. Now how to turn off? Same. You need to use this switch. Turn on. That's it. See, your output blinking is off. Correct? Same. If you do it again, it will on. Because this fellow is on now. You can off. Right? It will off. And again, if normally what we can do, we can turn on using your I0.6. This is common. This one I have already seen. By using PLC, we can able to control. We can able to monitor. From SCADA, control from PLC. Correct? Now, by using memories, both are possible. From this side also we can control. From SCADA side also we can control. Got it? So if I turn on, how in PLC also it is on? Do you have any idea? See, in PLC also this M0.0 is on. No. How it is means, go to view or go to insert and bit memory. Yeah, in bit memory it is a memory. Can you see? M0.0 is on. So whatever bit you have turned on in SCADA is communicated to the PLC's M0.0. Okay, because of this fellow turned on, the same address I have used in a program, so it is also on. Got it? Can you get the point how it is getting interlinked? Same. Suppose see, if I turn on this fellow, M0.1, that means stop, manual stop. Okay, M0.1 I have turned on. How it is updated in the PLC? See, in PLC, this is on, correct? So check out here in the simulation window, see, it is on. Okay, got it? So this is how we can able to do the controlling part in SCADA. So we have seen the supervisory and monitoring, and now we can able to do the controlling by using memory bits. So without memory bits, you can able to control the lamp. Got it? So this is interfacing of PLC with SCADA, a controlling part. Fine? Yes. So I'll meet you in the next session. Until then, bye.